pag umangkon nga anong guwapa tisay Bisaya ni karon. So mo ni iyang bag cute kayo ingon siya nga gikan daw ni sa Thailand. Sa Thailand siya gikan. Gipalit daw ni niya sa store nga kanang kuan Thailand authentic Thailand. Karon kantaw na ko diri kay guwapa na ba kay ka. Karon it cost daw kung sa check koron pa kanang 400 right? 400 Czech crown. In the Philippines, in peso, I think 900, no? 950 something, almost 1,000.
Almost.
So ito yung, she's 13 years old. So ito yung bag niya, cute kayo. Ngayon, we will check inside kung on ang sulod. Bag rate tayo, bag rate. Ang una, kilis. Nangutana ko niya kung asa niya gamiton. Ningon siya nga for occasion, for special occasion lang daw. Kay, ko dili na niya need nga maggamit-gamit pag mga ingon ani. So ito, ipalit niya sa bigay. Next, this one. This looks nice. How to do? It's also very careful. It's powder.
Yeah, it's powder. I don't know how to open like that.
Nay, open. I want to see it in the video. And it's also like powder. You can just do like that. Okay. So it's like that. Okay. It's nice. Can I use?
No.
I cannot use.
Or you can just...
Nah, she said that I cannot use it. So, from DM, product of DM, all in one now. Next, ticket, 12 crown. Ticket for one way. Or how long is it? 45 minutes. 45 minutes. It's already used, so trash can daw. Next, oh, fit me. What is this for?
Concealer for eyes.
The concealer. And it's nice. I need this because I have this black eye. Next, okay, we know what is this for. And next, just this AirPods and wallets. Why you don't have tissue on it? Tissue is important. So she has also this is nice wallet. It's from Cara. Who bought it? Oh, it's nice. Mojo? I will show.
Reveal na.
Oh gosh, me. Why you hide your 100 crown? So this is her, this is only the money for the 13 years old lady.
I haven't known.
So this is the money of Brigita. And she was thinking to buy gift for her, for her, tawag nito, friends. And she doesn't know what to buy. She wants to buy this. Then, what is this? Wow, you have many cards. What card is this? It's Rabotnes. So insurance. Insurance. What is this cards? Cheesecake, floorball. Floorball. Ringington Palace. And that's all.
It's for library.
But you know, she has very cute wallet. Ang ganda ng wallet.
Kasi ngayon lang kasi nakita ng tita niya, tapos maglaro siya.
Isa ingon.
Siya, gusto niyang bumalik to, umiyak siya.
Really?
Tumakbo siya.
I love you. So this is the money. Why you didn't put your money here?
Ayaw niya. Sit down.
Siyempre, kasi it's your birthday and No, I'm bag red. Don't, No, I appeal yung nanay sa bag red. Bag red. So, yan yung laman ng ano niya. Yan yung laman ng wallet niya. Oh, so... I have picture.
I don't know where I found it.
Where did you took this picture?
It was in my
And
room.
this was, my, kasal. Wedding. Ganito pa siya kaliit, oh. Pero, ito, wadyo ko kabalo, asan niya gikuha? Where did you took this? And Bridget and the mommy. Okay, so tinago niya yan. Balik natin dyan. Nandyan yung mukha ko. But we are the same, na? Look. Maybe daw. Okay, so yan lang yung bag red niya. Yan lang yung laman ng ano niya. So, 13 years old. Brigita. No money. Only 300 crown. 300 crown is ano? 300 crown in peso is 700 something. 750, no? Okay, so ibalik na natin. Wala siyang tissue. Yun yung not recommendable. You should have tissue because you're... Okay, say bye to my vlog.